On March 24th, 2017, at 8:14 p.m. Eastern Time, I observed what I thought was a star. But after research of star charts, planet positions, and satellites, there was nothing of that sort in the area. I did manage to get some video footage and pictures of this crazy object in the sky. As you can see in these pictures, it looks kind of maybe like a bright star, but you can't see any other stars in the photos. So, here's video footage of what I captured. These are some still photographs that I managed to get. Some are a little grainier, some are a little blurry. It was an older camera, so some of them, I don't know, that one's kind of pretty. I mean, look at it. It's like a big ball of rainbow light flying down to say hello. If you have any thoughts or opinions on this, or maybe you know what it is, or if you've seen anything like it, please leave a comment below. I'd really like to know what you think about it. I did notice in some of these photos, like the ones you're seeing now, you can see other specks of light and even an extra little ball of light beneath the bright one.